Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. These kind of terms helps you to understand the term apart from attempting an interview or any competitive exam. Today's session we are going to see a term order multiple, an order quantity modifier applied after the lot size has been calculated that increases the order quantity to a predetermined multiples. Order quantity can be anything and it will multiply by the given number. For example, one can define one box equal to 12 pieces, then I can have PO quantity anything and it will be multiplied by 12. If PO quantity is 10, then total ordered will be 120 likewise. But the requirement is to order quantity in the multiples of 12 like 12, 24, 36 likewise. Thanks for watching. Bye.